Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Whirlpool Dishwasher F8E4 error in 2026. So this F8E4 error commonly appears when the water collects underneath the dishwasher. So in order to fix it, you just have to first of all turn off the power and carefully inspect the bottom tray. If water is present there, you need to dry the tray completely using towels or a sponge. Once it is dry, you can restart the dishwasher. If after doing this step the code clears, it means that a temporary overflow or minor leak triggered the sensor. Now, if in your case the issue still persists, the second thing that you need to do is to simply inspect the excessive soap or suds. So using too much detergent or the wrong soap can create over sudsing. So excess foam may spill into the overflow area and then trigger F8E4 error. So in order to fix it, you just have to run a rinse cycle without detergent, and if after doing this the issue disappears, it means that incorrect detergent use was likely the cause. Now you can also examine the float switch and the assembly. So the float mechanism monitors water level. So you need to check for food debris or mineral buildups or obstructions or stuck float movement. A blocked float can falsely trigger overflow warnings. So you need to simply clean the float area thoroughly, and if after cleaning the normal cycle resumes, it means that the float system was interfering with the water level detection. So you can just simply inspect these steps and see if your Whirlpool dishwasher error is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.